Hey buddy, today in this video we're making air fryer pork shoulder blade steak. Let's begin. We have here 2 pork shoulder blade steak and let's start seasoning it. First we're going to add some salt. Next we're going to add some garlic powder. You can be generous with the garlic powder. Next we're going to add some paprika. And lastly, some black pepper. We're going to turn it over and do the same thing. Okay, we season both sides, and let's preheat the air fryer. We're going to turn on the air fryer, and we're going to preheat it to 400 degrees, and we'll be back. Okay, it's fully preheated to 400 degrees. Let's put in the pork shoulder blade steak. They're pretty large pieces of steak. There you go. We have the large pieces of pork shoulder blade steak in, and now let's put it in. We're going to turn it to 400 degrees for a total time of 16 minutes, and we'll be back. Okay, it's been 8 minutes so far. We're at the halfway point. Let's flip it over. I'm going to flip it over. Here we go. And now let's put it back in for the last 8 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 16 minutes at 100 degrees. Let's take it out. Looking wonderful. Let's take it out. Let's check the temperature real quick. And it's above 145 degrees, and we're set. Let's check this one. Yep, we're set. Next, we're going to take some chopped up green onions and sprinkle it on top. Okay, this is what we have today, air fryer pork shoulder blade steak. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Okay, let's cut it up. It's nice, tender, and juicy. Here, have a bite, and thanks for watching.